Okay guys, welcome back to the Adventure Van series on this van. Now, what you're about to see is the lost footage. That's right, the lost footage of when we drove this van here that I told you guys was lost. I magically found the SD card hidden in a little brown card holder. I guess I stuck it in there to keep it safe, and I didn't remember. Anyways, we were cleaning stuff out and I found the SD card tucked in it, and I was like, I think this has all the footage on it. Sure enough, the whole series is on there. So enjoy the rest of the video, going back to like part 3 or 5 or whatever of driving this van here, which was, by the way, a pretty fun adventure. So you're not going to want to miss this video. Like, subscribe, and let's get this van to where it's sitting right now. Let's go. All right guys, here we are back with the van. Today's big day because we're going to drive it back to our house, which is about 40 miles-ish away, and so that way we can work on it at home. Right, Din Din?
Yeah. Thanks for the camera.
Shh. All right, so first thing on the list, we got to check the fluids. We got to get the seats, the bench seats that are sitting down here in the weather. We're going to throw them in here. Got the tires. Make sure there's plenty of air in the tires, and get this thing on the road. So my wife's gonna follow me in her car so we can make sure, you know, we make it home on time. All right, here's the bench seats. Look at that. These are all actually in pretty good condition, as they've been outside for a year. We gotta load them up, get them back. Oh, whoa. Reupholster them and use them for a while till we get the interior done. All right, steady as you can. All right, you can wait up here, buddy, with the camera. We're gonna grab these benches and get them loaded up. All right, here we go. Ooh, they're nasty.
Here it goes.
Ready? Up.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Last one.
Dang it. The freaking thing's trying to get me.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Final seat. Oh!
Oi, oi. Oh.
Ow!
Safety.
Thanks, Brynio.
And there goes Dad.
All right, guys, time to start it up. It's been sitting for probably 2 months, so let's see if she
maybe, yeah,
roars to
maybe.
life.
Just maybe. Maybe.
I can untangle my keys. All right, here we go.
I found hard and she said.
She's alive.
Exhaust. Yeah, that came out the exhaust.
Uh-oh. Check it out, guys.
What?
We might have a little rat friend living in there. See if he comes running out. I don't see nothing running out of there yet. There may be one living in here somewhere though.
Okay, now we got exhaust.
We got smoke. I haven't seen that ever. So hopefully it's just some bug action. Brake, we got lights, ABS. Just a little bit of smoke, or yeah, white. Might be just some condensation, hopefully, because the thing ran just fine before. It's got oil in it. It probably just needs to burn some of that off. All right. The only other issue is hopefully that belt doesn't snap. That's gonna be one of the first things we change is the serpentine belt. All right, I'm gonna finish checking everything up and then we're gonna go put some air in this tire. Because this tire is a little low. There. All right guys, this is a little worrying, but look at that, we got some water. It just smells like water. So there's no gas, oil smell coming out of it. So hopefully it's just some residue. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Alright. Time to move over to the shop and get some air in it. And then hopefully we're going to drive home. This will be a fun trip. So join us for this adventure as we take Rogue One back home. Alright, we got the tires aired up about as much as we're going to get for now. Fluids seem good. Time to load up, hit the road, go get some gas in Canyonville. Hopefully we have enough to get there. I'm pretty sure we do. We will see how good this old van does on the way to Canyonville. Make sure like nothing weird starts happening. Then we're gonna fuel up, hit the freeway, keep it around 55, 60. Hopefully we can get home. So here we go. Like, subscribe. Let's get the journey home. Oh yeah, and we do have the, the good old permit. All right, time to load the kids up, hit the road. A little stressful, but this is fun. All right, y'all, it's go time. Time to get this baby on the road. Time to get home. Let's do this. Fires right on up. All right. Oh, I gotta make sure I got a seatbelt in here. You know, it's not full seatbelt, but it'll do. Woo! All right, let's get on the road. Here we go, folks. Exciting. So far, so good. Drink of the day, Monster. All right. First time in about 11 years this van's been on the road. Hopefully we don't run out of gas, because the fuel thing is kind of, Alright folks, I think we just blew a tire. Time to pull over here and see what the heck just happened. Heard a loud bang, and I heard a bunch of shit going on. Alright, let's see what just happened here. Oh boy. We could try to fix it there. All right guys, here's what happened. The U-joint cap popped off and all the pins are gone. So that's nice. We're gonna go see if we can find a new one and hopefully get this thing fixed. All right guys, we are at Napa. Time to see if they have the U-joint we need so we can get this thing home today. I don't know. Be right back. All right guys, here we go. We got new U-joint. So we're gonna, hopefully this is the right one. And get that thing installed and hopefully get back on the road before too late. So, here we go. All right, I'll show you guys what we got to work with down here real quick. All right. So there, you can see, there it is. The top, the cap came off of the U-joint. So I'm gonna try to put another one on there after I get this strap off of here. So what I think I did, I didn't put the old clip on there. So there's a clip right there. I don't think I put a clip on the top. So we're gonna make sure we fix that. All right, quick update. After 3 trips back to the shop to get different tools that we ended up not even needing, we got the bolt out. We got the new U-joint caps back on. Well, actually, I put the old one back on. Hopefully it holds just enough to get home. And the U-joint straps definitely need to be replaced because these ones are garbage. So that's where we're at. Let's get on the road. Let's get home. We need to get gas. Hopefully this thing makes it the rest of the way. Wife's gonna follow in the car. So here we go. All right, we are on our way on the freeway, guys. Just got fuel. Remember that little issue we had when we were putting the fuel tank in with the spout? It had a crack in it. Well, it looked like it was going to hold. Not so. It started leaking fuel when I started filling it up. So I had to run inside and grab some duct tape and wrap that hose with it. Look real redneck right now. But hey, we're right now on the freeway, about 55. Temperatures are all good. It's really hot in here though, so that's no fun. Alright, we're gonna try to get this home. And yeah, we'll see it when we get there. Yeehaw! Alright guys, we're almost home now. So far so good. Nothing too crazy. It doesn't like to idle very well. But other than that, it's running alright. So here we go. Just a few more miles left and we'll be pulling it in the driveway. Can't wait to have a beer after this. Woo-wee! And it's hot in here. This thing is stuck on like high heat. So it's just cranking the heat. I love these little side windows. It just pushes that air right through. Alright, let's get her home, boys. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we're on our street. Just a couple blocks away now from pulling in the driveway. She made it here. I'm excited, tired, it's hot. That was a long drive. So, very excited to finally pull this baby into the driveway. Here we go. Things looking good still, not getting hot. But it's hot because this thing isn't covered. The motor isn't covered all the way. This cover just kind of sat there. All right. We did it. Here we go. Pulling her on in. It's my beautiful truck. Woo-wee. We did it. Here's the charger. Gotta build that thing still. Alright guys. Now we can really work on this thing. We got a lot to do. Let's get, yeah, we still got all this garbage to work on too. So here we go. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time for another part. I don't even know where we're at right now. For the next episode in fixing the adventure van. See ya.